Hello and welcome to this video on how to make money with the help of advanced technology. Today, I'll be showing you how you can use the power of natural language processing to achieve financial success in record time. Are you tired of trying traditional methods for making money that just don't seem to work? Are you tired of being stuck in a dead-end job or struggling to make ends meet? Well, I have some exciting news for you. With the help of advanced technology, you can now make money quickly and easily. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can use a powerful tool called natural language processing to generate new income streams, automate your business, and even invest in profitable opportunities. Whether you're looking to make a quick buck or build long-term wealth, natural language processing can help you achieve your financial goals. One way you can use natural language processing to make money is by automating your business. Imagine being able to automate tedious tasks like customer service, data entry, and even sales. With natural language processing, you can easily create chatbots that can handle these tasks for you, freeing up your time and energy to focus on growing your business. Another way you can use natural language processing to make money is by investing in profitable opportunities. By analyzing large amounts of data, natural language processing can help you identify trends and patterns that can lead to profitable investments. Whether you're looking to invest in stocks, real estate, or even cryptocurrency, natural language processing can give you an edge over the competition. But that's not all. Natural language processing can also be used to generate new income streams. For example, you can use it to create content for your blog or social media pages, or even to write books and articles. With natural language processing, you can easily create high-quality, engaging content that will attract readers and generate revenue. In addition to that, you can use natural language processing for jobs that are more time-consuming for humans like data entry, customer support, and many more. One way to make money with natural language processing is by creating chatbots for businesses. These chatbots can handle customer service inquiries, take orders, and even make recommendations, freeing up valuable time for the business to focus on other tasks. Another way to make money with natural language processing is by providing data analysis services to companies. By analyzing large amounts of text data, businesses can gain valuable insights into customer behavior and market trends. A third way to make money with natural language processing is by building AI-powered writing tools. These tools can assist with everything from grammar and punctuation to content creation and SEO optimization. Another way to make money with natural language processing is by using it to improve search engine optimization. By analyzing text on a website, you can identify keywords and optimize the content for search engines, making it more likely to rank higher in search results. You can also make money with natural language processing by developing language translation software. This can be useful for businesses, governments, and individuals that need to communicate with people who speak different languages. Another way to make money with natural language processing is by providing sentiment analysis services. By analyzing text data, you can determine the overall sentiment of a piece of text, such as whether it is positive, negative, or neutral. Another way to make money with natural language processing is by providing voice recognition and transcription services. This can be useful for industries such as healthcare, law enforcement, and telecommunications. Another way to make money with natural language processing is by creating virtual personal assistants. These virtual assistants can help individuals with scheduling, organization, and other tasks. Another way to make money with natural language processing is by developing natural language generation software. This software can automatically create written or spoken responses, which can be used in customer service, content creation, and other industries. Another way to make money with natural language processing is by providing text summarization services. This can be useful for individuals and businesses that need to quickly understand large amounts of text data. So, as you can see, the possibilities are endless when it comes to using natural language processing to make money. Whether you're looking to make a quick buck or build long-term wealth, this powerful tool can help you achieve your financial goals. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.